The US-China trade war has taken a dramatic turn. China has reportedly ordered its airlines to stop accepting deliveries of Boeing aircraft and halt purchases of US aviation equipment. This move is a direct retaliation against US tariffs, which have reached up to 145% on certain Chinese goods. The impact on Boeing is severe. The company risks losing over 1,200 orders from China, worth an estimated $150 billion. Within days of the announcement, Boeing's stock price plummeted by 10%, wiping out $20 billion in market value. Boeing's reliance on China is massive. The Chinese market accounts for $10 to $12 billion in annual revenue, and long-term contracts for planes and maintenance push that figure even higher. By targeting Boeing, Beijing is striking at a key U.S. industry, hoping to pressure Washington into easing trade restrictions. But this isn't a one-sided battle. China's airlines depend heavily on Boeing 787 and 777 jets for international routes. Switching to Airbus or China's homegrown Comac jets won't be easy or cheap. The ripple effects are already being felt. Boeing's vast supply chain, spanning thousands of companies across the U.S., could see 5,000 to 10,000 job losses if the ban continues. The broader U.S. aviation export market, worth $130 billion annually, may shrink by 15 to 20%. Meanwhile, Airbus stands to gain. China could place 150 or more new orders with the European manufacturer, further squeezing Boeing out of a critical market. The big question now is whether either side will back down. Boeing is lobbying Congress to push for a resolution, but President Trump has remained firm, insisting China must make the first move. If tensions escalate, the conflict could spill into other sectors like tech and agriculture, risking a full-blown economic standoff. For now, the stakes couldn't be higher. If no deal is reached, Boeing may lose its foothold in China permanently, reshaping the global aviation industry. And with both sides digging in, this trade war could drag on, costing jobs, profits, and economic stability in the process. The Boeing crisis is more than a corporate problem. It's a warning sign of how far the US and China are willing to go in their battle for economic dominance.